So we're trying to find where my dad is. It's a big traffic jam, so I'm trying to see which is my car so that we can walk up to the car. There's a replica of the Kukke Subramanya temple at the Subramanya Road railway station. Just noticed it there. So we're told that we need to take a taxi to go to Kukke Subramanya, the temple. From there we take a bus. It's about 1.5 hours. I don't know if there's a train right now, but right now we're tired.
Kerala, Calicut.
இங்கேருந்து காலிக்கட்டு அதெல்லாம் எவ்வளோ தூரம்?
இங்கேருந்து கோழிக்கோடு நான் ட்ரெயினில் தான் போகுது ஜாஸ்தி.
ட்ரெயின் இருக்கா
இங்கேருந்து கண்ணூர் ட்ரெயின் இருக்குது. பெங்களூர்னு வருது. ஓகே. அங்கேருந்து மாறி அது இல்லாத இருந்தால் மங்களூர் போய் மங்களூர் இருந்தால் Now to Sakleshpura in one of the Karnataka Sarige buses. Sir, ಇದು Sakleshpura? Sakleshpura. So we just got down in Manjarabad, the fort. It's about 5 kilometers from Sakleshpura.
Very crowded. There's a huge traffic jam here, possibly because of the tourist traffic to Manjarabad fort. It slowly started to clear. Left on the road. I've asked my dad to come to another point there where there is no traffic jam. It's a road that's under construction, so we'll catch him there. It'll be easier for us to get to our hotel. Our lunch is also pending. So we've come to the spot which is in between two small hills. If you're coming to Manjarabad fort, here's a little secret. Park your car here and fly your drone from here. I flew my drone in the morning from here. It's quiet, it's away from, all of the people and attention. So I thought if I come here, it'll be easy for me to take the U-turn and not get into the traffic jam. But just as I speak, there is also a traffic jam this side. But the good part is, we are just 2 kilometers from our hotel, so the traffic jam shouldn't cost us much, and we anyway have food at our hotel, so that's not a problem for now. But now I think the next exercise is to just spot my car here, and then we're finally back. We're waiting for dinner to happen, given lunch didn't. So we're trying to find where my dad is. It's a big traffic jam. So I'm trying to see which is my car so that we can walk up to the car. I see one car here. Let's go and hone in on that. Is that a Nexon? It's like a sunroof car, no?
Yeah.
I'll take a photo. There is one car which looks like ours. Wait, I think we'll have to first ask Tata if his car, if right now in front of him there is another red car. Let's just check. Cut. Call Tata.
Yeah.
So this has to be the coolest use case of the drone, where I was able to actually go locate my car where my father was driving. He's now asked me. He said that he's taking a U-turn. I spotted him here, and then we're now on our way. A lot of mist building in the air. There our car is. Nandu and my mother are walking towards the car. Luckily there's not too much of traffic this side. Reunited with the car. So all's well that ends well. We're finally back at the hotel, and there are a big traffic jam there, and now to enjoy the rest of the evening, just staying at the hotel, talking, and then catching good enough sleep before we leave tomorrow morning back to Bangalore.